Women's Run PH and hashtag motivate, inspire, and empower. 5K runners, good morning again. Welcome to the 2025 Women's Run PH. We're so happy.
Pasuyo na lang po, para hindi po tayo maglagyan. Forward na lang po sa loob. Thank you po. Kay National Women's Day, so Pinoy Women Run, so picture na.